Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'm guiding you guys on how to model this simple block. Let's get started. Now let's work with the top plane. I go to center rectangle. Now we're having 60 here, so our length. We're having 24 here, and we're having 25. Total of 49. Now let's add our fillets here to this tool angle. Click on sketch fillets. Click here. Radius of 12. Let's add our circle here. And here. Let's add dimension of 12. Diameter 12. So we're done with our first sketch. Let's go to features, extrude. We have a thickness of 10. Now we are done with here. I simply rotate and sketch on this face. Now click on Ctrl 8 to change my direction. Now go to center line. I sketch from here. I zoom out upward. I go to circle. Here our outer diameter is 40, inner diameter 24. So we have 40 here and 24 here. As you can see, distance from here to here is 75. We need to close up our contour. So we are done with our sketch. I click on escape to leave it. I go to features, extruded boss base. Now I select on this contour and I reverse direction. Now my thickness 25. Now I click on my check mark. Now I click on this extrude 2 drop down. I click on sketch 2, extrude boss base. I select on this contour, reverse direction, thickness of 48. So as you can see, we're done with our model. Ctrl 7. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.